Welcome to the new Citizen Turning Centre of Excellence in Brierley Hill, West Midlands. They've got their open house on the 14th to 16th of May, so get yourself registered and get yourself down here. What can you expect to see though? 15 machines on permanent display and their newest technology. Number of machines with LFE. Now we've all heard about that, but you can now see the D25 full 5-axis machine with LFE, the L32s Type 10 and Type 12 with LFE, and last but not least the B&A 42 GTY hybrid machine again with LFE. And what else can you expect? Well, the open house party's on the Wednesday night, and last but not least, get yourself a chance to win a weekend for two at the British Grand Prix. So get yourself registered, get yourself down here. We look forward to seeing you.